so we're at Seoul Station and we're catching the KTX down to Busan in about 45 minutes. So we're just gonna getting a bit busy in here. Everything down there and we've got the rotialas. Okay, so we made it onto the platform. Just waiting for our train. We've come from up there. So Seoul Station. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, we are at Busan Station. Busan Station, and we're going to catch a bus to Haeundae Beach. And from there we are going to stay a week here and do some things here. Yay! Okay. So we are in Busan. Welcome. Okay, everybody, so we've just made it to Busan. We've arrived at our apartment and it was pouring rain outside. Our clothes got saturated. So I'm just going to show you our apartment. It is nice, like nice. So we'll get started. So we walk in, we've got the toilet, we have a bidet toilet, shower. So walk through here. Got the kitchen, hot water, dryer, microwave, element. So I've got cups. It's new. Got more cups. Got bowls and plates in here. We've got a fridge. And we also have a freezer. Shino's big sink. So we've got this 2 chairs here, rubbish bin, and cupboards, bench top. It's got that little cute thing there. Light switches. So we've got the lounge area. So we've just got our stuff hanging up because some of it got soaked in our bag. So we've got pictures. This is the main bed. Got a TV. We've got a view of the beach. See where that water is coming from? That is the beach. We are on the 17th floor. So you can see the road down there. So, got these, got an air conditioning unit, that's cool. So got a couch, table, whatever, the lighting. We've got an intercom. We've got floor heating, whatever that is. Finally our room. We've got the bed, we've got the double bed, the single bed. We've also got floor heating. We've got a wardrobe 1. Wardrobe 2, I'm just taking my jersey in there. Another wardrobe. That one there's the same wardrobe, and it's the last wardrobe to hang stuff on. So we've got the double bed, we've got a lamp, the power thingy, we had to buy one of those. Double, we've got a vacuum cleaner, a mirror, chair, 2 hair dryers for some reason, and then you got another little closet with also a not so much of a view, but you still can see the beach. So we've got 7 nights here. Let's just hope it's not raining tomorrow. Tomorrow is also my birthday. I am turning 18, and yeah, pretty much that's that. We'll go to some theme parks this week. We'll go look around Busan and hope everything goes well, and hope it doesn't rain too much this week. And yeah. Man, it's flash. Table. And sorry if I didn't film much on the train. That first leg of the journey, I had someone sitting next to me. So I just, once he hopped off, I just moved to that seat. It was interesting seeing that, the countryside, where it was just different. So yeah, that's about it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.